everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you found me. I have my newest Yarnable box. This is from Hypnotic Yarn. I get these, I think it's every 3 months. I think that's right, I think it's once a quarter. And it came in yesterday and I want to open it up and show it to you. Okay, so I've cut the tape on each side, but I haven't actually opened it. So let's see. They do a fantastic job with the boxes. They really do. All right, we're gonna save the yarn for last. Ooh, there's avocados. That looks promising. Let me see what's in there. All right. She gives you hashtags and stuff if you want to share your unboxing. So, got a little bag. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, that looks like a project bag. Look at that, avocados. It is a little zip bag. And it's avocados. There's a little hint there. There's avocado exercise. Ooh, that's so cute. And we have a progress keeper from Monster Knits. That's a clever name. Yeah, there we go. Isn't it cute? And let's see if we can get their Instagram stuff in there. There we go. Kind of. Here, how cute. Matches nicely. And, ooh, a pen. A little avocado. Does that help? Maybe a little bit. Okay. So I'm detecting a theme here. It's the May 2020 Yarnable Box. Avocardio. It was brought to you by Guacamole, Retro Headbands, and Leg Warmers. Avocardio Notions Bag, created for Yarnable. It's this one. Avocado Enamel Pen, created for Yarnable. And the Stitch Marker, designed by Monster Knits. Very cool. Okay. Let's get to the good stuff. See what the yarn looks like. There we go. What do you think? That is a beautiful green. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Avocardio. And this is their plush sock base. Can you see that? Let's hope. There we go. That is just beautiful. So we have yellows and greens and just a little bit of speckle in there, kind of a reddish speckle with some darker green speckles. I think they nailed it. Nicely done. I really like this color. Oh, those yellows and greens are just beautiful. Look how pretty. I love it. Well, once again, Hypnotic Yarn's Yarnable Box. Oh, it comes every time the yarn is in a bag. Every time they have done a fantastic job with these boxes. Great with the theme, and the extras are always just right. Well, I hope that you're having a good day, and I will hopefully be back possibly later today with another video just of what I've been working on lately and maybe an idea for what I'm going to do with this. Take care, everybody.